Good morning. It's Vijay here. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre-Market Commentary. Today is Monday, 10th February 2025. So now turbulence has hit the global markets. Markets are fighting it out because Trump is the guy who's on the other side. He is creating turbulence which was expected of him, but the global markets have now been dancing to the tune of Trump for the last 10 days, and I we have to see what happens this week. So just let's look at what exactly is happening as far as the global markets are concerned. Uh, Here we are on, yeah. So now Trump has promised tariffs, and we are going to get tariffs, and he has threatened trade tariffs across the globe. First, he started on Canada and Mexico, and then he has postponed the 25% tariffs to March 1st. Now he says that he's going to put unilateral tariffs across the globe on steel and aluminum imports for 25%. That is the latest salvo he has fired yesterday night. So we have to see what goes. So this is what was there 10 days ago, and then that got sorted out. And actually did not get sorted out. It got postponed to March 1st. Last week he hit tariffs on China, and China hit back. See, you can fight with any other country in the world excepting Russia and China, which Trump will realize. And Trump, I think, realizes, but still, he has gone ahead and put tariffs on China, and China has hit back. China thinks in 40 years time frame. Trump is only a 4-year time frame president. So it will not affect China. They will eat, mud or lizards and survive, whereas Americans cannot go beyond a point. And I think Trump will learn it. Probably he knows it, and I think he will, dial back sooner than later. However, last week, how did we perform vis-a-vis the global markets in spite of all the turbulence because of the budget and the RBI policy? On the RBI policy day, it fell down. On the budget day, it fell down. Yet we somehow managed to close the week. Nifty closed at 0.33, which is, I think, really very good. Hang Seng, of course, was 4.49. Dow Jones closed 0.5% lower, mainly because what happened on Friday, because the tariff thing came about again on Friday afternoon. So there, because not only the 25% tariff on aluminum and steel, he's also looking at country-wide tariffs on Tuesday or Wednesday. That is what he said in his press conference on Friday, and the market sold off. However, things are very different today. Before that, let us look at what happened. S&P came down, Nasdaq came down on Friday, and that was a sad end to a week. Of course, Shanghai did very well. Commodities, oil is below 74.5, which is very good for India. Gold is hitting new highs, and I think it's on the verge of a breakout because there seems to be less amount of gold available with the Bank of England. Silver is, really strong. If silver crosses 34, which is the recent high, then I would expect 44 will be in the sights. But there is turbulence in silver market also because there are a lot of short positions. In fact, double the short positions of gold as per the estimations of by experts. So silver could be the star in the next 2-3 months vis-a-vis gold. Gold will go up, but silver may go up faster is what my analysis say. So today we get the AMFI data on mutual fund inflows. Now, there have been a lot of mutual fund managers who have been saying negative things about their own industry. I will have a special session on that sometime during this week, where if you had the ED of a major mutual fund asking people to move away from SIPs, move away from small cap, I'm going to question that thesis, whether it is correct, not correct, what is the past track record. I'll try to do a comprehensive analysis on that sometime in this week. So China's retaliatory tariffs will come into effect today. And then we have corporate earnings, which are Apollo Hospitals, Eicher Motors, and Grasim Industries from the Nifty. The others which are worth noting, Bata India, GSK Pharma, Escorts, National Fertilizers, then Spark, Nalco, Varun Beverages, Ashoka Buildcon, and TVS Supply. Incidentally, we hold Spark among these stocks which I've listed out here. Ashoka Buildcon also is a very good company which we used to hold, but we have moved on from that. And Escorts will be interesting to watch. Bata India should be the beneficiary of this budget, but we don't know how good the results will be for this quarter or the quarter gone by. So you have layoffs coming in Meta, and then we have Aero India starting in Bangalore, and PM Modi is going to visit France, and something on defense may come out from there because you see Rafale is French supplier, so you may get something surprising there is what I expect. Later in the week he goes to US. That will be the most critical meeting. With all this turbulence, Gift Nifty is showing lower. Incidentally, the BJP won a comprehensive victory in Delhi elections. So there is a feeling that markets may open higher, but I am not surprised that they'll open lower. But what we should keep in mind is that in spite of this turbulence last week, India closed brighter and Asian markets have opened brighter today. Nikkei opened much lower. Now it is in positive. Hang Seng is positive. So is Singapore. So I think there will be turbulence, but I think the turbulence will be short-lived. I continue to be bullish. Today I am in Bangalore, so I may not be able to do that trading. And people who follow me, free Monday will probably become free Tuesday or free Wednesday. Nevertheless, what I am thinking in my mind is that all dips have to be bought. We are buying wherever we get funds. We are putting into the market. I don't expect an immediate recovery, but I'm looking at it 6 months down the line. As I explained in my last video on RBI and Finance Ministry, they are doing perfect jugalbandi. So it's a matter of time before it begins to show results. I expect results will start, good results will happen in the next quarter and the following quarter, and then the market will or should take notice of that. Notwithstanding, the mutual fund managers trying to, de-sell their own product, which is a shame, I feel, because when the markets have fallen, stocks have fallen 40-45%, now they're saying get out of the market. I think they're doing a disservice to people who want to be disciplined. Anyway, that's for another day. So we are positive as usual. So whatever you do, I hope it is successful. So have a good day. Thank you.